manipulate. Bukky, be careful of Westo. He's manipulating you. Be very careful of Westo. Abi, didn't he raise money for Prime Boy? He did. He raised 1 million. In fact, he and Prime Boy's mother fought because he told his colleagues, Abi, all of them, we want all of them, Abi, what are their names? That he raised, I think, 3.5 million.
Yeye Kudi ti wá fohùn ránṣẹ́ báyìí o. Wọ́n ti fohùn ránṣẹ́ sí Bukky Jesse pé kó ṣọ́ra fún Westo, kó ṣọ́ra fún Westo gidi gan. Nítorí ẹni tó ń pè ń Westo yìí kàn fẹ́ máa manipulate ẹ̀ ni. Pé àwọn máa ṣàlàyé bí Westo ṣe jẹ́. Lóòótọ́ Yeye Kudi ní àwọn ò mọ Westo láti ibì kankan, àmọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó sopọ̀ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ Westo tó fi di pé Westo wá ń question owó tí wọ́n raise lórí platform Yeye Kudi, òun náà ló fà á tí Yeye Kudi ṣe ní àwọn ní láti fọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ránṣẹ́ sí Bukky Jesse. Yeye Kudi sọ ó ṣàlàyé gbogbo bí àwọn tó kù àwọn bloggers míì bí wọ́n ṣe máa ń parọ́ raise owó lórí platform tó tún máa kówó jẹ. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni Yeye Kudi sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad tó lead mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ spending Prime Boy tó tún wá fi dé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni tó ń pè ní Westo yìí tí Yeye Kudi ṣe wá ń fi ohùn ránṣẹ́ sí Bukky Jesse pé kó jọ kó yá wọn ní etí ẹ̀ kó lè mọ irú èèyàn tí Westo jẹ́. Welcome to CrossBlogX TV. Remember to like, share and follow us. Ẹ já gbóhùn lẹ́nu Yeye Kudi o lórí ohun tó ṣàlàyé fún Bukky Jesse àti ìdí pàtàkì tí Bukky Jesse ṣe ní láti ṣọ́ra fún ẹni tí wọ́n ń pè ní Westo yìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ máa gbọ́nu fọ́nrán yìí.
This is my platform. This place, I have raised money for spending regarding bail. I will shock you people one after another. Mo fẹ́ mú lẹ́sọ ni. I will calm down and explain to you people everything I have done before. But it seems like Westo is not ready to back down. And even me, I am not ready to back down. I want you all to help me ask Westo, what is your own regarding my platform, the fund I raised? The people that know Westo that said that they put in that money, they should come out. Put the receipt here.
Ohun rèé o láti ẹnu Yeye Kudi sí Bukky Jesse lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Westo. Gbogbo bí Westo ṣe ń tó ń question wọn lórí owó tí wọ́n raise lórí platform Yeye Kudi.
If Westo can do it, he should have raised the money on his platform. Abi, didn't he raise money for Prime Boy? He did. He raised 1 million. In fact, he and Prime Boy's mother fought because he told his colleagues, Abi, all of them, we want all of them, Abi, what are their names? That he raised, I think, 3.5 million. And when Prime Boy came out and needed help, Emi Kudi Owoyi, the hotelier, is one of us on this platform that has hotel in Lekki, wanted to help Westo, Prime Boy. I told her to stop because I told her to go and meet Bossman. Bossman, we are connect Prime Boy to this woman.
Question àwọn owó tó kù táwọn míì náà raise lórí platform wọn. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pọ̀ àfikẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́nu Yeye Kudi.
I'm not supposed to be saying it here. All of you in Nigeria, the woman gave you money, told you to give some money to Mama, this thing, Mama, Prime Boy. Abi who gone? Abi Prime Boy. Prime Boy said he needs money. After you brought him out, you claim you raised 3.5 million, but you actually raised 1 million. The mother to Prime Boy, head of it, got very angry. But why to say no paro? Why is it that you people in Nigeria, the money that public is contributing, You people want to chop it.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn òun náà lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o, kí lè ròyìn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ owó tí wọ́n ń raise lórí platform lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad, ọ̀rọ̀ Primeboy tí ó ṣẹ̀wọ̀n, spending àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Kí ni èrò yín nípa àwọn tí wọ́n ń raise owó lórí platform? Kí ni èrò yín lórí ẹ̀? Pàápàá èyí tó tiẹ̀ wá ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí láàárín Bukky Jesse àti Yeye Kudi pẹ̀lú bó ṣe relate mọ́ Westo. Drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.